There is that business that you can start with a low capital, stress-free, lucrative and on high demand, and that is liquid soap business. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, a 9 to 5 worker, no matter your current occupation, you can start a liquid soap business, and it's very lucrative. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can start this business. And before we continue, please help me like and subscribe to my channel. Hi everyone, I am Esther Moyi. I make and sell liquid soap, toilet wash and the likes. And in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you how you can start a liquid soap business and you will prosper in it. You will make it in it. I've been into this business for more than 8 years now, and I'm still known for it and I'm prospering in it, and I thank God for that. All right, so why do you need to start a liquid soap business? Why is it a good business? Like I said earlier, it is on high demand. Many people need it, right? So schools, office, people use liquid soap for a lot of things. So it is on high demand. And another thing is that it is affordable to make. Like, it is affordable to produce, yes. So you can start with less than 10,000 naira to start with. So 7,000 naira, 5,000 naira, it's enough for you to start this business. So this is another reason why you can venture into it. And it's easy to make. Trust me, it's very, very simple to make. So that is it. So, and I've put it in my channel how to produce liquid soap in a very easy way. So you can just go ahead and watch it. And also the chemicals that you will be needing to start this business. So it is a fast moving product if you make it well and you market it very well. So guys, let us start. How can you start this business? The first thing that you need is interest. You need to show interest in it. Let your heart be there. Let your heart be committed. Whatever you put your heart into, trust me, it will be successful. And once your heart is there, you want to also commit it into the hands of God, which is very important. Pray about it and you can start your business. And trust me, you are going to make it in this business. So after you've shown interest in it, the second thing that I will also advise you is to learn the basics properly. So you can go to someone that have experience in how to make it and how to sell it. Ask them questions. If you can even go to those that sell the chemicals and ask them questions before starting the business, because many people have started the business and they've stopped. But you want to continue in the business, you need to plan it properly by learning from the best, which is why I'm also creating this video for you. So after you've shown interest, ask from experienced people. Another thing that I will also advise you is to plan it well. Plan it well. How much will I be needing? Like I said, you should ask questions about different things. How much are you going to be needing to start the business? Who are those people you want to be selling it to? Yes, you can even go ahead and be telling people down that, I want to be selling liquid soap. I hope you patronize me. Like those people that sell food, those people that you can even be selling it to supermarkets. Like I used to take it to some small supermarkets, right? So you can also plan yourself how you want to start it. If you don't mind, you can also write it down, which is also important. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question you want me to answer for you, you can put it on the comment section. All right, guys. So let's continue. So the next thing, if you are so determined to start this business, the next thing I will advise you to do is to get the basic equipment that you'll be needing. You need basin, you need buckets, you need stirring sticks, you need you need funnel, you need bottles or containers that you'll be using. So you want to start small. You don't need to get an expensive container. You can use all this bottled water. You can use Coca-Cola water. Depends on your own distance. You don't need to start big. Just start small to show people. So you want to get all these basic equipment, and after then you want to also learn how to make it. Check my YouTube channel. I put there different methods in which you can make liquid soap. So learn how to make it. You can learn it from experienced people, you can learn it on YouTube, you can learn it anywhere that you want, on TikTok. So learn it. After then, your capital, you make sure your capital is ready. So I would say I think this is a number 5 or number 6. So after your capital is ready, you want to go ahead to get your chemical. And one thing I'm going to advise you is, please and please, if you are getting your chemicals, make sure you get it from the right source, from someone that knows about the chemical. Because if you don't get it there, some people can sell you fake chemicals. So you want to ask questions about the chemicals when you get there, just to know if those people understand those chemicals, right? So, which is also important. When you get there, ask question, ma, please, what is this one working for? What is this? And even in my channel, you will see all these chemicals on my channel and how it will look like when you are getting it. So when you get there, you get your chemical and you want to start your liquid soap business. So I'll also be sharing my experience, how I started and up till now, in one of my video later on. So these are just a few things that I'm going to tell you on how you can start. So it's not a big deal to start a liquid soap business. And once you made it and you're so sure that this thing is okay, you want to test it and you know that it's very okay, then you can go ahead to sell it to people. So if you don't mind, you can even give it out for people to test it. So after testing it, you are so sure and they tell you that, oh, this thing is okay, then you can start selling it. All right, guys, so let me just give you some few advice concerning this. So the number one thing is that you should start small. So just try to start small. You don't need to start big. And another thing is that you want to reinvest. You don't want to spend the money that you have started with your capital. You want to reinvest, which is also important. So make sure that as you start small, your packaging is okay, it's neat, the way you advertise it is okay. So make sure you advertise this always as well, and make sure you produce something that is quality, because quality over quantity. Let it be quality over quantity. It has to be very foamy, it has to be thick, it has to have a very good scent, it has to be neat, and every other thing that you feel you want to add to it. So another thing is, don't add too much of price. If you know that your liquid soap is very quality, you can ask other people how much it sells theirs. You can just add a little amount to it, depending on you and your environment. Make sure that your marketing is very okay. You market it well. You take it to church or mosque or anywhere you go, to school, you want to take it along. Please don't give up. Like I said, consistency is more important than perfection. It's more important. Trust me, I've started this business for over 8 years and I'm still continuing it, and I'm aiming to get it better, to grow in it. So don't give up too early. Don't give up too early. It's not going to be smooth from the beginning, but you have to continue, right? So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other question you want me to answer, if you want me to train you on how to start a liquid soap business, reach out to me. Let me know in the comment section and I'll be willing to do that for you. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this. Bye.